You can completely throw this thing on fire. I mean, make it go crazy, like full court blitz, by having Hey everybody, this is Nick, and in this video I'm going to share with you how I'm able to continue to grow my business regardless of what is going on around me. And let me give you a little more information about that. So just today, I have to go get my truck serviced. I need to go change the oil, do all that stuff. And normally I like doing that. It's my meditation being a former automotive technician, but I actually don't have the time to do that stuff. And in fact, I'm leaving in a couple of weeks to move to the mainland. I'm going to be moving to New York for about 6 months. My wife is doing her clinicals there so she can get her nurse practitioner license. So we're gonna go. And so I have a lot going on, right? I'm remodeling 3 houses. I just did a launch. And the thing that I'm trying to point out here is that I have a business that is continuing to grow without me in it. And I've built it that way on purpose because I had a long time where I was just unable to have people come into my business who were willing to pay me money. I want you to think about this while you're watching this video. How many people have you spoken to over the last week or 5 days about your products and services? Or if you're using an appointment setter, how many people have they spoken to? You know, whether you're using an appointment setter or you're doing things yourself, the ability for you to generate income greatly depends upon how many people you speak with, or how many people you send emails to, or direct message, how many people you let know about your services, or how many ads you are showing to other people. For me, I've simplified things. I've simplified things a lot, and I want to show you what I mean by that. So let me jump over to my other screen here. And you can see that this is my directory website, right? It's a directory website. It's called Hawaii Thrive. And you can see that this is Hawaii. This is where I live. We've got tons of business listings, pins on this website, right? This is a triple ranch. Each one of these pins has a business. It reflects a business, but if I scroll down, it also reflects a listing on the site. See, so Pine Tree Cafe, mobile auto detailing. Now, the reason that I had developed this software, the whole goal behind it was built or born out of the frustrations of not having regular and consistent clients. And what I decided to do here when Tom and I came up with this idea was we went to the whiteboard and we put up all the issues that we were facing. One of the biggest problems, most consistent problems, was just having easy conversations, having the ability to have these easy conversations with business owners that didn't sound like we were trying to sell them. Because if you're like me and you have no business doing sales, then those conversations, those potential conversations, they scare you, right? They scare me. But when I change the dynamics and I have something easy to talk about, then it changes everything. It absolutely changes everything. For us, it's putting together a community resource website like this. Actually, if you want to get more information about how we're doing this, I'm going to put a link on this screen. Click that link. We just did a training the other day where I break down all the psychology behind the software, how to use it, how to get it set up. And if you watch that video, actually, you can get a site just like this set up for free by our team. But the reason you want to go watch that training as soon as this video is over, beyond getting a site like this built for you for free by our team, is that you want to have these easy conversations with these business owners so you can give them, and I want you to imagine giving them or being able to give them a listing on your community resource website, right? This resource website is for all businesses in Hawaii, and it doesn't matter where you're located. You can get one set up wherever you're located. It could be on a specific topic. It could be on home services. You could have all the roofers in your area on a website, and you have updated information about their products and services. And when you contact these roofers, or you have an appointment setter contacting roofers, you can let them know that you've given them a free listing and you just want to verify you have some of the correct information. Oh, by the way, here's something that we're doing in our area to help roofers get more roofing clients. Do you see how that changes the dynamics of the conversation, how you get started? Now, you can completely throw this thing on fire. I mean, make it go crazy, like full court blitz, by having an appointment setter. In fact, that's what we're doing right now in the other room. I have an appointment setter reaching out to these businesses each and every day, letting them know about the business listings on our website. We do something called the business verification method. Again, more information on that in the link on the screen or below this video in the description, depending on where you're watching it, where we are regularly, every single day, getting 30 to 50 businesses that know us, like us, and trust us because of this strategy. And we're putting them on an email list and we're sending them emails. And guess what? Because we're doing that, we're able to get regular customers and sales coming into our business. So you don't need an appointment setter to do this. You can get started and do this yourself, which is what I did. I scaled into getting an appointment setter to help me do this. You can actually do it with no money down to get an appointment setter to do this. They can go completely off commission based. So if you're on a shoestring budget, you don't need to worry about having somebody do this for you. But at the end of the day, the problem that this solves is if you are a freelancer, an agency owner, somebody just trying to make money, start a side hustle, this allows you to have a prospecting system and a community resource that you can feel good about talking to your prospects about. Now, let's go all the way back to the beginning of this video where I said, I'm leaving, right? I'm leaving Maui, I'm going to the mainland. But what about my business? How is it going to continue to grow without me being here? This is exactly how. I have this system, I have this community resource website, and I have people reaching out to businesses on my behalf and bringing them in our pipeline. And honestly, you guys, this has been a huge shift in our business because we have this steady stream of customers and prospects that we start this relationship with. I mean, I want the same for anybody that watches this video. So if you have any questions as to how to get this set up and a lot of the other ins and outs of how it can work for you, then go ahead and go to the link on this video or in the description and check it out. Like I said, I have a special offer for you where somebody on our team will set up this site for you for free if you just go watch the video. So go do that right now and hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done that, and I'll see you in the next one. Aloha.